Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Roblox account that owns the connection you want to remove. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then choose Privacy or Connections depending on the interface. This is where linked friends or social connections live. You need the other person's username or their numeric user ID to identify the right entry, so keep it handy. Do this now so you're looking at the exact connection list and can avoid removing the wrong contact. Once done, use the search field in Friends or Connections to find that username or ID. This narrows results and prevents errors. You'll click the profile entry and look for Unfriend, Remove, or Disconnect. Choose the correct action for removing the link. Make sure to read the confirmation dialog because it usually explains the immediate effects. Confirm the action and the system will remove the connection right away, updating your list and privacy state. After removal, refresh the app or reload the web page to verify the connection no longer appears. This ensures cached data is cleared. If you still see the person, make sure you don't share a group, game pass, or external platform link that recreates a visible connection. If it's persistent or a bug, contact Roblox support and provide the account names and timestamps. They can resolve back-end issues you can't change from your client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.